this is our fault detection system along with the application, the device, and connecting between fault detection device and application. The Raspberry Pi is there. So now let's try to connect with the kit through the Raspberry Pi. After connection, now the device is connected and there is no fault is detected. Since there is no fault is there, so the application shows that the person is in the safe state and no fault is detected. So if we do some falling, then let's see. It's little bit we need to do it. So if we do some falling operation, and yes, now the fault is detected. See, let's change the state. The fault is detected. After some times it will disappear and it goes to the previous state. So now there is no fault. So the application shows that there is no fault is detected. Thanks guys for watching. It's a very little project. Keep subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Thank you so much.